Okay guys, this is my LG OLED that I have been trying to fix. It was a broken mainboard. So every time I wanted to watch something like a movie, there was just statics. And I tried with a heat gun and reinserted the mainboard, nothing. And then finally I actually tested the method of baking the mainboard in the oven on 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. And this is the result. So remember, before when I tried to watch YouTube movie, nothing was shown. But now it magically works. This is insane. I actually baked the main board in the oven and now my LG OLED works. So there is hope for you guys. Thanks.